Unlock crystal clear audio for your Nikon Z5 videos by seamlessly integrating an external audio receiver. First, ensure your wireless microphone system is powered on and paired correctly. Most systems have a dedicated pairing button on both the transmitter and receiver. Consult your microphone manual for specific instructions. Locate the output cable from your audio receiver. This cable typically has a 35mm jack on one end, designed to plug into your camera's audio input. Now, carefully insert the 35mm jack from your receiver's cable directly into the microphone input port on your Nikon Z5. It's usually located on the side or bottom of the camera, often marked with a microphone icon. Power on your Nikon Z5 and navigate to the camera's menu. Look for the recording settings or audio settings section. Within the audio settings, you'll need to select your audio input source. Choose the option that indicates external microphone or a similar setting to tell the camera to use the signal from your receiver. Next, it's crucial to set your audio levels. Speak into your microphone at a normal volume and monitor the audio input levels displayed on your Nikon Z5 screen. Adjust the gain on your audio receiver to ensure the levels are strong but not peaking, which can cause distortion. Aim for the levels to be in the healthy green or yellow zones. You can usually monitor the audio directly from your receiver using headphones for an even more accurate assessment of your sound quality. With your receiver connected, input source selected, and levels optimized, you're now ready to capture professional sound audio directly to your Nikon Z5, elevating your video productions to the next level.